Nair.
Hi, I'm Sharat Nair.
And we're going to introduce you to a gesture control human machine interface. Basically, we are using this glove. These are the force sensors and these are flex sensors. And this is an inertial measurement unit. It has a gyroscope and an accelerometer. So basically, why are we doing this whole thing?
Okay, so what we are doing is we are using this glove and this control unit, which is wireless and which is portable, and using this particular glove we are going to control multiple number of applications, and to demonstrate we'll show you how two robots can be completely controlled by simple hand gestures of this hand. Okay, so basically these sensors are sewn into this glove, and when I power the system up, it will wirelessly send commands to this robot as well as this robot, and both of them can be controlled. So moving on to demonstration, I'll just quickly power it up. So how this works is that if I keep my hand in the stable position, then it will record that this is my stable position. If I tilt my hand towards right, the robot should start going right. If I tilt my hand towards left, we'll find the robot is going left.
The inertial measurement unit helps us to know the orientation of the glove. So as you can see, when his hand is in the stable position, the red LED is glowing. When it moves here, so the yellow LED is glowing. And on the left side, we get the other LED. So basically what we want to show is that when the hand is in the stable position, only then the commands will be given to the robot.
Okay, so now the robot is on. So if I do just keep my hand in this stable position, press this and press this, you'll find the robot is going forward. If I release it, it stops. If I press these two fingers and bend my finger, it comes backward. Now pressing these two fingers, if I tilt my hand towards right, you'll find the robot is going right. If I tilt my hand towards left, you'll find the robot is going left. So you basically find that any directional commands or any navigation you think that can be controlled using simple robotic gestures can also be done using these hand gestures. Also, controlling the servo motor, you'll find that the camera is now pointing upwards. If I tilt my hand towards right, the camera is going downwards. If I tilt my hand towards left, you'll find that the camera is doing a pan action of 360 degrees. So you'll find that multiple things are being controlled of this robot using simple hand gestures. So if a person who doesn't really know how to control a robot can simply wear this hand glove and will be able to do these applications. Another thing you will find, or something that should question your mind, is that can it be used to control multiple applications? Yes, it can be. Now without changing the program, without changing anything, I'll show you that this particular hand glove can also be used to control a different application.
We basically changed the Zigbee module which we have used for communication, because we have put the Zigbee in a unicast mode, means this transmitter is only for that receiver. So now I have changed the Zigbee for this plot.
So this is a hexapod. It has 18 different servo motors and it can do a lot of things, but again the same gestures are going to command it. So if I press these hands, it will start going forward. If I tilt my hand towards right, you will find the hexapod is taking a right turn. If I tilt my hand towards left, you'll find that it is going to take a left turn. If I release my hand, it will stop. If I press these two fingers, it will start crawling ahead. If I tilt my hand towards left, it will crawl in the left direction. If I tilt my hand towards right, you'll find that it will crawl in the right direction. And this is another motion which we have given to control the edge in different locations. So what we are trying to establish is multiple number of gestures can be programmed simply onto this glove, and it can be used to control multiple number of applications. Now imagine that these are the application which I am controlling is a vacuum cleaner. So sitting at your home, sitting in your couch, you can use this wireless application and you can completely sweep your house using that vacuum cleaner.
Basically,
or say for example, you want to turn on the lights or fans, or if a paralyzed patient wants to sit on his wheelchair and control his wheelchair, can be done using this glove.
Basically the application we have generated for paralysis patients, so that they can do home automation things sitting at one place, like summoning the wheelchair towards themselves and other such functions.
So that is how human gestures can be controlled and can be manipulated to control multiple applications. That is gesture control human machine interface. Thank you.